Spider-Woman. But you can call me Gwen.
Gwen? Okay, I think there's some dimension distorting going on here.
People of Manhattan, welcome to Chronopolis. Those who bow to me, do my bidding, shall be rewarded. But those who fail me will be cast aside as for your so-called heroes. They shall find life a challenge in my world of worlds.
Chronopolis?
World of Worlds? What do you suppose that means?
It'll have to wait. We've still got bad guys to catch. Is that your goblin?
No, looks from the future.
So, what's the story here? Did the convention just let out? You guys really missed a few marks with those costumes, huh? But the swinging seems dead on.
How about we take down the dodo here before we start swapping stories?
No!
Hey, what's the rush?
You pathetic pests!
All this snow gear's a waste of money.
That'll slow him down. I hope.
Ugh! You'll never catch me, spider fools! Ow!
Nearly got him.
You pathetic pests!
Just want to go home already.
That showed him!
I don't believe it! Where is that infernal goblin? Time to return to the nest!
Okay, I've had just about enough of you.
Get back here, you!
All this snow gear's a waste of money, huh? Well, who's laughing now, Mom?
How do you like some of this?
Ow, you're stronger than you look.
So I've been thinking about this case.
Okay, not a bad start.
See you later, losers.
Just want to go home.
Ugh, I heard it, you nasty spider.
Ooh! I can't feel my face. Gotta be more careful.
Whoever they got on snowplow duty seriously needs to up his game. It's like driving inside a bounce house around here.
Gotta be more careful.
This isn't really something I saw myself doing today.
Yeah, I have a lot of days like that. Ah! Didn't see that one.
All this danger lately really makes you realize how precious every moment is.
Ow! Okay, might want to avoid hitting those. Ooh! I can't feel my face.
It's cold.
Where do you think you're going? Ugh, gross. Goblin from
from the future? Knights from the past?
What's going on?
I better head back. Wasp, are you getting this?
Yeah, looks like they came through some kind of portal. Picking up another one. What's Claw doing in Manhattan?
The rest of the Avengers need to work out why Kang's brought us here. Luckily, we've got help.
Hey, this is quite a gathering.
Yeah. I should have brought my new mixtape.
Save it for later, guys. We've got work to do. What do you know about Kang?
All I need to. He's one seriously bad dude.
And his accomplice?
Ravana Renslayer. When Kang conquered her kingdom, she became his bride.
Doctor Strange, could Kang be attacking multiple time eras at once?
Possibly. It needs further consultation.
2 teams. One to chase down those knights, the other, check out where Claw went.
All right, let's go jump through some mystical portals. Woohoo!
Everyone stay on your toes. We don't know what might be waiting for us on the other side.
What am I in for today? Star-Lord, legendary outlaw. Okay, it's do or die time.
Let's hope it's due.
I am Groot.
I say, brave heroes, might I request some assistance?
Is that Tin Head talking to us?
Looks like he's in trouble. Better go see what the problem is.
Welcome to England, travelers. My name is Sir Percy of Scandia. I wish your visit could be under brighter circumstances, but as you can see, that fearsome Kang has turned my castle into a den of evil. I beseech thee, please aid me in overthrowing this villain, so that I might reclaim my kingdom and put an end to it. Wonderful. The castle is this way. Follow me.
So what's the deal with this Kang fella? He just going around stealing everyone's house?
Kang is a warrior of the most fearsome ability. My knights and I didn't stand a chance against his might.
Well, that sounds like a challenge to me, Percy. Bring it on!
Watch out! These fiends are Kang's allies.
I am Groot.
Yeah, that was a little easy now that you mention it. I guess the real bad guys are waiting for us in the castle.
Beware, my friends. More villains approach. We have arrived. Our foe awaits us inside, so please ready yourselves and let me know when you wish to storm the castle.
So, there's a new donut of a supervillain running around my city in thigh boots calling himself Kang. Who is this clown? I never heard of. Those other newly arrived space cowboys, the Guardians of the Galaxy? Well, they seem to be clueless too. Given one of them is a talking tree, what do you expect? That raccoon thing did say Kang has an overinflated opinion of himself and a huge sword-shaped spaceship. Kang also... Oh yeah, this Chronopolis is apparently made up from the greatest realms across time and space. The Avengers are currently investigating these claims of Kang, and if it's possible, to leave Manhattan.
Merry old England is a little merry old quiet.
Something's not right. Enchantress.
Madam, I have returned with allies. What witchcraft can you muster now?
I can offer doom, destruction, and dark magic.
You must attack!
There is the pretender of whom I speak.
Nathan Garrett.
The Black Knight!
I met Captain Avalon on the way here. He confirmed my suspicions.
Soon I will prove to Kang that I am fit to rule at his side. Guards!
A classic diversionary tactic from Kang.
Enchantress, do your worst!
We gotta stop him.
Tarry, sire, for it is folly to rush in.
We're trapped.
We need to get inside.
You fools dare to face the Enchantress? Such a pity.
Quickly, we must find a way inside. I fear your friend is in great danger.
Woo! Castle siege! What thinkest thou, Lady Gamora?
Why are you speaking so strangely?
Yeah, just trying to fit in.
I know not how to make use of this.
How do I get myself in these crazy situations? Hey, give me a hand, will ya?
We'll need Groot to operate the controls for the gate. Is there any way this cage could help?
What goes up must eventually come down. If I can increase the time flow of the cage, it should fall.
Wait, you're gonna fast forward the cage like some kind of video cassette?
There. One old and broken cage.
Great. So what now?
Now we simply reverse the time flow.
Huh. That easy, huh?
I am Groot!
Okay, Groot buddy. Time to rock and roll.
I am Groot.
I am Groot.
It's working. Keep going, Groot.
Oh, how very clever. I'm almost slightly impressed. Let's see how you handle a little magic, shall we?
Uh-oh. What's she doing now?
Whatever it is, it doesn't look good.
She has summoned some new foes. Take care, friends.
It will take more than that to keep me at bay.
Boy, I could use a superhero right now. Get me out of here!
Ugh! Get away from me. Fools! Did you forget with whom you're dealing?
It's as I thought. Her appearance is merely an illusion. Kang must have given her the ability to cloud the vision of Agamotto.
Aga, what now?
Come on! We have to get inside and find the captain.
Interesting. I wonder if there is mention of this in the Book of Vishanti.
Boy, I could use a superhero right now.
I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot.
Uh-oh, everybody out! Man, who saw that coming, huh?
I think Enchantress did. The path inside is now completely blocked.
Yes, but perhaps there's another way. Look at the area below. I believe Enchantress's magic hasn't extended to this small recess. I might be able to create a portal to reach her. Stand back.
So nice of you to join me. I was starting to get lonely.
I sense an immense power coming from that chamber above the door. Is that?
A golden apple of Euden? Yes! Behold it in all of its glory, for it is a true relic of Asgard. A source of power so strong, no mere mortal can possibly...
Right. I thought so. Thanks for confirming. So, we get rid of the apple, and her power is gone. Look for a way to get to it. Unfortunately for you, an apple a day won't keep this doctor away.
Ha! How often do you get the chance to say something like that?
Doctors and apples? Is that supposed to be a Terran expression?
I am Groot.
No! This cannot be! You'll pay for this!
After you.
I am Groot.
Hey, Doc, you think it's a bit quiet? I mean, no traps.
No traps?
You'd expect some traps in a place like this, right? You know, with the medieval thing going on.
Indeed, sir. In mine own castle, we have traps aplenty.
Welcome, friends, to my Dungeon of Doom.
Guys, rescue time? Take care coming down the corridor.
Yeah! There are the traps! Whoa! You'd think they'd put a sign up about that.
As curious as I am to see how you'd attempt to get past this, a simple movement spell should do the trick.
More of those fiends.
Oh, man! More trouble incoming.
What shall I pick today? A sword? A mace? What shall I pick today? A sword? A mace?
Something for my next session of magical studies, perhaps?
You guys get distracted at the gift shop?
Look at you! How did this even happen?
It's a long, embarrassing story. Just help me get free, please.
Interesting. I wonder if there is mention of this in the Book of Vishanti. Something for my next session of magical studies, perhaps? Bear with me a moment.
Whoa! I think I'm gonna be sick!
Hey! Glad you're back with us, Cap.
Thanks, guys.
We can't reach the Black Knight from here, but your shield might be able to help.
Sure. Once the room stops spinning. Whoa.
I see you've let yourselves in. It is so kind of you to come along. The witch and the tree put up quite a struggle.
Hey, who are you calling a witch?
I am Groot.
We have him now!
A lucky hit, that's all.
I'll show you what happens when you mess with my friends!
I've got you now.
You will not win this day, Black Knight.
A lucky hit, that's all.
You gonna make this easy, or do we have to get medieval?
Kang's plans are way beyond you. You have no idea.
Try it.
Greetings and 1,000 thanks, fair yeoman. I am the one true Sir Percy.
Hail, Sir Percy! Well met!
What of Kang, my lord?
His portals allowed Garrett to storm my keep, and Enchantress to enslave this kingdom.
There is another portal you have yet to discover. Where it leads, I know not.
Farewell, my lord.
Farewell, fair heroes. May your helm protect, your magic provide, and your shield prevail.
You're telling me you could have done that all along?
I am Groot.